Hi, you guys. So it is now Monday night, February 18th or 19th. And last night I recorded this video for you guys, this one that I'm pointing at, which I did on a new computer, and it apparently did not record any sound, which I didn't realize until a couple of you guys emailed me. So thank you. Anyway, so let me bring you guys all up to speed. The main thing that I was saying that's new information in that video is that this is rodeo week here in Tucson, which means that for one, we have a big rodeo that draws hundreds of thousands of people from around the country, I think around the world, to Tucson, so it's kind of a big deal. And secondly, we most of the schools have Thursday and Friday off, so Pima is no exception, and that is why we only have Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of activities scheduled for this week. So in case you aren't from Tucson or didn't know what in the world is going on and why, for instance, we had stuff due on President's Day, we don't get that day off. We get rodeo off instead. I know, it's funny. That is the Wild West for you. So yesterday, your Meet with a Librarian extra credit was due. You can still turn that in late if you want to. If you go to the assignments folder, you'll find a link in the description there, but essentially what it's doing is giving you an extra push to get in touch with the librarian to find something to use for your annotated bibliography. Today, your first post to the annotations workshop is due. And going back yesterday, you should have read the overview for Module 10, which will explain what an annotated bibliography is. Roughly, what an annobib is a list of your works cited with the complete citation, and then a brief summary, and then an even briefer explanation of how that source is going to be relevant to your research project. So just think source, or just think citation, summary, analysis, and do that for all of your sources, all 6 of them for your annotated bibliography. For the annotations workshop, it's only 2 of them. You're only creating 2. And based on the feedback you get on those 2, then you'll know how to proceed to create all of the rest of them. Your responses to that workshop are due tomorrow. And then I'm going to reply to those probably tomorrow night and Thursday. And then your final draft is due on Monday. Then we move into the very last little couple of pieces of the unit, of the term. I am a little behind on grading, farther than I meant to be, so your essays, I'm still getting caught up from a season of sickness, so it'll probably be tomorrow night that I get the essays graded, and then around the same time, probably actually Thursday night, I will respond to your annotated bibliography rough drafts, essentially this CD10 annotations workshop. So that's what to expect from me. And that's it. That's rodeo week. Sorry about the weird thing with no sound before. Hopefully this one's better. We'll see. Have a good week.